big man's wife?
Well, he's going out of town in Florida, and he asked me if I take care of her while he's...
Take care.
No, man. Just show her a good time, make sure she don't get lonely. Girl, you see, this is a moral test of oneself.
I do believe Marcellus, my husband, your boss, told you to take me out and do whatever I wanted.
Whether or not you can maintain loyalty.
Night of the fight.
A new film directed posthumously by Jim Henson.
Walked into the door again. If you ask, that's what I'll say. It's not your business.